Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to earn Ethena airdrop. And now this airdrop will be making use of a Galxe account, and the airdrop is very easy for doing. This airdrop, once you are done completing it, you have the chance to win 1 and 50 points. So let's get started. The first step for us to do is to follow Ethena Labs on Twitter. So after you must have done that, second step is to tweet. Now just bear in mind that after every step is performed, you will need to click on this button to show that the step has been performed. Now once it's marked green tick, it means you're done with that's a successful one. After you've retweeted the tweet, next step will be for you to like Ethena Lab tweet on Twitter. The next task to follow Lepto Cortic on Twitter. Now, once you click on it, you take it directly to follow, and you click on follow. And as the custom is, click on that icon to show if that task was successful. The next task will be to follow Connor Rider on Twitter. Click on it, it will lead you directly to his Twitter, and you click on follow. Next one is to follow Marco with it on Twitter. Finally, also retweet the tweet. Clicking on it, it takes us directly to the tweet. The next thing we're going to do is to click on repost. The next thing finally is to claim 080 and 50 points. The transaction has been submitted. So you can check your accounts to see your points, or your history to see your points and reward. So that's it about Ethena campaign airdrop. Do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't. Do well to like the video. And if you're interested in learning more or having yourself trained in cryptocurrencies, blockchain and NFTs, do well to click on the link so it can take you directly to our WhatsApp group chat. Thank you very much.